That's it. 42 seconds.
We listen all night.
All night, all morning, and the sound never repeated.
It's 42 seconds of non-random, non-Earth-based signal. This could Earth-based signal. I come to you with what may be the preeminent discovery of the 20th century, the possibility of extrasolar life. And I get shit canned for it.
Zane, I know how important this is. But searching for ETs in this political environment is a tough sell on Capitol Hill.
Cal, listen to me very carefully. Satellites do not move like stars move.
A big one? No good. Or a little one. And with a low. Cause I got a big one.